We'll guide you through how to fix the Minecraft launcher not opening. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps it goes and crashes when you try and open it up, or it just doesn't. So to go and get started, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search and go and type in Minecraft launcher. It will get suggested to you. Right click on it and click on app settings. Now it should bring you straight to the launcher in the settings, and you need to go and scroll down. First of all, find terminate and press there. Then what we want to do is go and try repairing it. So click repair like so. It shouldn't take long. And then what we can also do is go and reset it. So I can click there and this will go and reset it all. Go and wait for that to run. And that's it. Now what you want to do is come to the bottom of your computer, click on search, and you want to go and open up the launcher again. And hopefully now it should be working. You will need to go and update again, but just wait. And you can now go and start playing Minecraft. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Have an awesome day.